Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize MongoDB Atlas Cloud Database easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MongoDB Atlas account. Once logged in, select the project that contains your database. Navigate to the Clusters section from the left-hand menu. Click on the cluster you want to optimize. In the Cluster Details page, find the Metrics tab at the top. Review the current performance metrics displayed. Look for any alerts indicating potential issues with your database. Next, click on the Performance Advisor tab. Here, you will find recommendations for optimizing your indexes. Take note of any suggested indexes and examine their relevance to your queries. Now, navigate to the Databases tab within your cluster. Find the specific database you want to optimize. Click on the database name to access its collections. Start by analyzing your collection usage. Identify any collections that are underutilized or not needed. Consider archiving or deleting those collections to improve overall performance. Return to the Cluster Details page and click on the Triggers tab. Set up automated triggers for backups or other maintenance tasks. Now, let's work on scaling if necessary. Monitor your data growth and user traffic. Upgrade your cluster tier if you anticipate higher usage. Next, click on the Security tab from the left-hand menu. Ensure that your database users have the appropriate permissions. Limit access to only those who need it for enhanced security. Finally, keep your MongoDB drivers and libraries updated. Regular updates can help maintain performance and security. Conduct regular audits of your database performance. Make adjustments as needed based on your findings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.